Back to chemistry online class. We are still on our 30 days YouTube challenge. Where I'm posting videos constantly for straight 30 days on the month of what? October. So here we have what? Day 4. And in this day 4, I want to look at what? Chemistry of difunctional compound. And many people I want to look at it what's called diols. So I want to look at what diols, what are diols, the nomenclature of diols, then I want to look at the two main types of diols, then how to prepare diols. So these are stuff you're actually looking at in this video. Make sure you stick to the end of this video because I'm going to explain so many things that you cannot find in your textbook. And this stuff is a little bit challenging and confusing. So that's why you want to stick to the end of this video. If you have any question, only leave at the comment section. And don't forget, make sure you follow through this video. Make sure you're writing, make sure you're writing or you're putting down every single thing you get. So let's get started. First, what are diols? Diols, these are organic compounds that contain two hydroxide groups. Just so their chemistry is similar to what that of what alkanol. Do you understand? So we have called diols. Maybe you guys will have probably we have something like CH3, CH2OH. This is called alkanol, right? Alkanol. Alkanol. It's okay. Now, but when we now have two OH group, CH2, CH2, here we have OH, here we have OH, called what? Diol. It's okay. Now, like what I said, I want to show the nomenclature. You understand? Then we want to look at what the two main type of diol. Then we want to look at what how you can prepare this diol. The only thing I'm not going to look at in this video is the reaction aspect because I want to create a separate video when it comes to what reactions of what diol. So first, so I'll explain what is diol. Diols, these are compounds that contain two OH group. Now the compound can either contain a single bond, a double bond, or what a triple bond. You understand? So let's look at what the nomenclature of diols. How do you name diols? How do you name diols? So we have called saturated diols and unsaturated diols. So now therefore look at what is saturated. Saturated. Look at what the saturated diols. I get. Now, as what implies, saturated means what? Single bond. So these are diols that contain only single bond. For example, if I have like this CH3, CH2, CH2, CHOH, CH2, CH2 is okay. Then probably here we have what? OH. So what be the nomenclature of what of this diol here? What be the nomenclature of this diol? It's very easy. Now because it's saturated, saturated means what? The alkenes. Is okay. Then positions of what? OH. Then at what? Diol. This is what systematic what means. Now this is just a pattern. A pattern in which what you can what name a diol. You get. Now if it's saturated, that is the alkanes, the position of the OH, then what? The word diol. Do you understand? So if I have something like this, here, now how many carbon chains do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, right? So we're going to do what? Hexane. Hexane is okay. Now, what are the position of what? Oh, these two OH here. Now, remember, in the nomenclature, the two OH must have the lowest possible number, right? But when you start from here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So the position here we have position 2 and position 3. So this side I want lowest position. Do you understand? Now we talk about our nomenclature aspect. The two functional groups must have what lowest possible number, right? As time from here, give me what the lowest possible number. So you're going to do what? 2, 3 diol. So that is the name of this company. Hexane 2, 3 what? Diol. Do you understand? So now let's look at some other ones. If, for example, here we have now what will be the name of this one here? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So it's going to be non-name. Non-name, right? Because they're all single bond here, non-name. Now, what are the position of what? These two OH here. So here we have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 1, 8. Right? So it's going to be non-name 2, 8, diol. That is the name of this one. Compare here. Do you understand? So I want to give you one for you to try. You get, I want to give you one for you to try. If, for example, here we have, so go ahead, try some. You go ahead, try some, put the name at the comment section. I want to see what you can do here. So what is the name of this compound? Go ahead, try it. Name of this compound here. Now let's say this one is try one. Try one. So what is it? So if you check it very well, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So it's going to be hexane. Hexane, right? Now the two OH, remember the two OH, they're on the same carbon atom, right? So what will be the position? If I start from here, what will be the position of the OH? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But when I start from here, 1, 2, 3. If I start from here, give me the lowest possible number, right? So it's going to be now because two of them are in carbon 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 3, 3 diol. Hexane 3, 3 what? Diol. Now, what about if I now have a substituent? What about if I have a substituent? When I have something like this. Okay, go ahead and name this for me. Go ahead, name this one for me. Let me see what you can do. Go ahead, name this one for me. Now let's say this one is try 2. Try 2. What will be name? What will be name? So leave that comment section. What will be the name of this company here? So now, in order to name this here, our focus will therefore be on the word OH. It's okay. And the OH must have the word lowest possible number. So what is the position of these two OH here? Remember, when I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have position 4, I have position 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Position 4, I have position 5. When I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have position 3, I have position 4. Understand this here. So the two OH must have the lowest possible number. So when I start from here, then when I'm going to have the lowest possible number between these two OH here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? So therefore, let's take the parent's name, right? So it's going to be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be what? Heptane. 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 Now position 3 and position 4 going to be 3, 4 diol, right? So this is the word parent name. Now, but here we have a bromo and chloro, right? So here we have substrates. So what are you going to do here? Number 2 I have bromo, number 5 I have chloro. B will come before C when it comes to what alphabetical order, right? So it's going to be 2 bromo. There we have 5 chloro. There we have heptane 3, 4 diol. That is what is the name. Now, what about if I have a cyclo compound? Probably if I have this one here. What will be the name of this guy? So go ahead, drop the name here. Now, this one should be try 3. I want to see what you can do. What will be the name of this? What will be the name of this compound here? Drop at the comment section. Try three. What will be the name of this compound? Please, let's class be interactive. It's very important. This class is interactive. You get that is the only way we can learn more and we can achieve what more. Do you understand? That is the only way we can achieve more. Yeah. So let's go. Now, they can call cyclo what hexane, right? So here we have position one and position two. So it will be cyclohexane, cyclohexane 1,2 diol. That is name. Cyclohexane 1,2 diol. Do you understand? You can see how easy it is. Naming of diol is what is really that simple. Cyclohexane 1,2 diol. Now, what about if I now have a substrate attached to this point? Probably I have what? CH3. It's okay. What will be the name? So you're going to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, or 4. It's okay. So now the main reason why I'm going to start from here because this is the only way I can get my lowest possible number of this one here. If I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meter is going to be what 5. But when I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Meter is going to be what 4. Do you understand? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's okay. So the name is going to be 4-methyl cyclohexane 1,2 diol. Just 4-methyl cyclohexane 1,2 diol. Now we are still what on the word saturated. I've seen some lot of complex questions. What about if you have something like this? What be the name of this guy? What be the name of this compound here? What be the name of this compound? So now it's very easy here. Here we have 2 OH here, right? Here we go my carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, and what carbon 5. Can you see that? 1, 2, because this carbon here is connected to this phenyl, to this benzene ring. And whenever a benzene is a substrate, now whenever a benzene is acting as a substrate, it's no longer a benzene again, it's called phenyl. It's called what? Phenyl. So now it's going to be what? 1 phenyl, because phenyl is a carbon number 1. 1 phenyl is okay. 1 phenyl. Now, how many carbon shares in here? 5. So it's going to be 1 phenyl pentane. Pentane, right? Now, what are the position of the word OH? Carbon 1 and carbon 3. So it's going to be 1 phenyl pentane 1,3 diol. That is the name. Do you understand? So I really want you to master how to name diol. So this is when you have what is saturated. That is only single bond. Now what about when you have a double bond and a triple bond? How are you going to name that? So that is the next one we're going to look at. Now, if you have something like this one is a diol, but a double bond. Exactly what a double bond, which is called an alkene. Whenever there's a double bond, it's called what? Alkene, right? So how do you name that? It's very easy. Now remember, we must favor what? The OH. Idea. That is the OH must add what lowest possible number. Do you understand? So for OH to have the lowest possible number, I'm going to start from this point, not here. Do you understand? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is okay? So now the question will be chemical is how can we incorporate the diol and the what and the alkene, right? And double bond, right? How do you incorporate it? It's very easy. Now let me show you a simple format here because here we have 2 key functional the OH, which is what the diol, and the what the alkene, which is what ENE, right? So to name that, therefore, How many carbon chain are you seeing here? 7, right? And 7 means what? X. So it will be X. X is okay. Now, F means what? 7 carbon atom. Right there. Assuming there is no double bond, you can just put A, N, E. Do you understand? Now, but there's a double bond here. So you remove this other one here. It's not going to be what? E, N, E. But what the position of the what? Double bond is at position what? 3. Because when you start with 1, 2, 3. At about 3, we have what? A double bond. So it's going to be 3 what's in. Can you see that? 3 in. So it's going to be F, 3 in. F means what? 7 carbon chain. Then the in means what? A double bond at position 3. That's why we have 3 here. Right? Then the 2 OH group, here we have position 2 and position 3. So it's going to be 2, 3 diol. You can say as it is. Heptane X 3 in 2, 3 diol. That is the name of this compound. So I'm going to give you simple one for you to try because I always want you to try. As you understand this one here, I want you to also try for yourself. Pause the video, then try this for me. Let me see what you can do. What is the name? So you can drop the name at the comment section. Let's see if you are going to get it. Now, therefore, let's imagine we don't have these two things here. Imagine we don't have this one here. Now let's focus on the parent chain, right? So how many carbon atoms here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbon atom, right? 8 carbon atom. Now, remember I want to start from here because this will give us the lowest possible number for what OH, right? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what are you going to do next? So it's going to be oct. Oct means what? 7. Oct means what? 8 carbon chain. 8 carbon chain, right? Now, the portion of the word double is coming by 4, right? So it will be oct 4 in, right? Oct 4 in. Then I come about 2, I come about 3, that will have what my OH. So it's going to be oct 4 in 2, 3 diol. Can you see that? So this is what is the parent what chain here. Parent's name oct 4 in 2, 3 what diol. Now let's incorporate our methyl and our chlorine. Chlorine will come here before methyl, right? So it will be 6 chlorine. 6 chlorine. Then you have what? Then you have 4 methyl, right? Then you have oct 4 in 2, 3 diol. That is it. You can see as it is. If you are following, leave a comment section that you are following. I am actually getting a lot of value from this video here. So let's name the one that contain a triple bond. Let's name this compound. Let's name this compound here. So now, how do we name this compound? It's very easy. Remember, each point represents what? Carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's okay. So here we have 7 carbon chain. 7 carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's okay. So I can't say I have a chlorine group. I can't about 4. I want alkyne, which means iron, right? So going to be now. What is the parent name? The parent name is going to be what? X. X, right? Now here we have a triple bond here. The triple bond is accounted by what? 4. So going to be 4 iron. It's okay. 4 what iron. Then I can about 2 and 3. I have what my OH. So going to be 2, 3 diol. So going to be F 4 iron 2, 3 diol. I can about 7. I have a chlorine. So going to be 7 chlorine. It's okay. 7 chlorine F 4 iron 2, 3 what diol. So that is it for the nomenclature of what of the diol. So the next one to move into that is what types of diol. Do you understand? Because they normally ask what are the type of diol? You're going to give, you'll be giving some group of compounds or diols and ask them what type of diols are they. Just select the type of diols here. It's very important to know this here. So let me move to what type of diols. Two main types of diol. We have called number one, geminal. Geminal diol. Geminal what? Diol. Number two, vicinal diol. So now, what do you understand by geminal diol? The word geminal means what? At the same point. So in geminal diol, the two OH are attached to the same carbon atom in the molecule. Do you understand? For example, if I have something like this, OH, OH, it's okay. If I have something like this, they are called geminal what? Diol. They are called geminal diol. If I have something like this, they are called geminal what? Diol. So when the two OH are attached to the same carbon atom in a molecule, it's called geminal what? Diol. Do you understand? So what is the name of this guy here? Here we have cyclopentane 1,1 diol, right? So what about this one here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have hexane, 1, 2, 3, 3 diol, right? What about this? 1, 2, 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here we have pentane 1, 2, 3, 3 diol. Do you understand? So when the two OH are attached to the same carbon atom, they are known as what? Geminal what? Diol. It's very, very important to know how to what? Do this for here. Then what about vicinal diol? What do you understand by vicinal diol? Now, the word vicinal means what? They are adjacent to each other. Do you understand? That is, they're not far apart. They are what? Adjacent to each other. So vicinal means that it can be 2, 3, 1, 2. You understand? 2, 3, 1, 2. Do you get that? So a good example is when you have this one here. This is called vicinal what? Diol. This is called vicinal what? Diol. The two OH are what? Adjacent to what? To each other. Another example is when you have this one here. OH here. It's okay. Now, this one here, they are called vicinal diol. Why? Because the two OH are what? Adjacent to what? To each other. So when the OH are adjacent to each other, it's called vicinal diol. Now, geminal diol and vicinal diol is what we are going to look at specifically when it comes to the reaction aspect. Now, because you must know how to go prepare what vicinal diol, and you must know how to prepare what geminal what diol. What reactions leads to what vicinal diol? What reaction leads to what geminal what diol? These are stuff I want to look at in this video. So what is the name of this guy here? The name of this one here is going to be 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 diol. Pentane 2, 3 what? Diol. Here going to be cyclohexane 1, 2 diol. Just now. So that is what type of diol we have, and we are going to look at them. So how to prepare them. Just now. So let's look at what the preparation aspects. Let's look at what the various ways you can prepare diol. And we have 3 main ways. The first one is what? Is what? Addition of water to what? To carbonyl. The second one is what? Is oxidation of the alkene. And you can ship this with what? These two reagents. These two reagents will produce similar result. This is what? Potassium permanganate, and it's called osmium tetraoxide. I want to explain more. Then we have reduction of what? Of the carbonyl. And the carbonyl we are going to look at here is called the IDI, the ketone, the carboxylic acid, and the esters. Do you understand? So oxidation of the carbonyl, which I'm going to talk about here. Remember, the goal here is to produce a diol. There is 2 OH group at the end of the reaction. So let's look at the first one here. Addition of water. The first one, which was the addition of water. Addition of what? Of water. It's okay. H2O. So how will addition of water? How will what? The addition of water produce a? How the addition of water to carbonyl to produce a ketone? So Let's look at what this aldehyde. This is what is an aldehyde functional. It's okay. Now, when you add water to it, H2O slash what? It's okay. Now, the addition will always occur at this point. You get. So now when you add water, you have to what break the double bond, carbon double bond oxygen. Do you understand? So you have to what break this bond here. So when you break this bond, there's a mechanism for this reaction, but I'm going to show you what a short way for it to achieve this result. Now, this water will be broken down into two. H plus now what OH what minus. Do you see that? So what happen here? This H here will be added to this guy. White one will come here. So here we have what? I will here COH OH and what an hydrogen. This is called geminal what diol. This one produces what a geminal what diol. So the addition of water to what carbonyl will produce what a geminal what diol. Do you understand? So now if I have what a ketone, which is called what and what alkanol, it's still going to produce what similar what results. Still going to produce what similar results. Now remember, HO will break down into two, right? Here we have what H plus now what OH what minus, right? This one here will be added to this other one to form OH. So here I have R here OH. It's okay. Remember, this one you didn't touch it, right? So when you add this one to this other one to break what is double bond here, you now have OH here. This is the only OH now will not be attached to this other point to form this double bond. Now this what other one OH. This is called geminal what diol. Do you understand? So now let's look at what typical example. Let's look at what typical what example. So if I have here we have CH3, CH2, C hydrogen, and you are adding what water. It's okay. When I see what catalyst here, it's very easy. What will be the product of the reaction? So here we have the addition will occur here. So here we have what CH3, CH2, right? Then have COH. Here we have there's hydrogen, right? Then here we have what OH. Don't forget, anytime you are anytime you are giving the product, the name must be included. So that is the reason why I've taught you the nomenclature of what diols. So the name of this one here is going to be propane 1,1 diol. Just that is the name of what this product propane 1,1 what diol. So what if you have something like CH3, CH2, CH3? What will be the product? What will be the product? H2O slash H plus. So please go ahead, try it for me. Pause the video, go ahead and try it for me. I want to see what you can do. While I pause this one and give the name, let me see what you can do. It's very important. Okay, I believe you have done it right. So the addition takes place here. So you have CH3, CH2, COH, OH. Here we have what CH3. Can you see that? So what will be the name of this product? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane 2,2 diol. Butane what 2,2 diol as what? As the word product. So what about if you should have something like this? Probably you have something like this. What will be the product of this reaction when it will go addition of water? It's okay. When it will go addition of water, what will be the product of this reaction here? So this one look a little bit complex, but it's that easy. Remember, the addition will occur here, right? So you have H plus now OH what minus, right? This one will be added here to form, then you break it to form this one here. Here we have what OH, right? Remember, if you check very well, the H plus now OH, right? Now this H will only attach to this other point here to form this one here. Why so what we attach to the same carbon atom? So when you move here to form the OH here, this one will also be attached to the same carbon atom. So here we have this one. Do you understand? So that is what the product. So, but what is the name of this product here? What is the name? The name is going to be cyclohexane 1,1 diol. Cyclo cyclohexane 1,1 diol. That is what that is the product. Do you understand? That is the what is the product. You can see how it is. Organic chemistry is not that too difficult when you know the fundamentals and when you actually know somebody that can actually what teach you to your own understanding. So if you're following this video, leave it at the comment section that you are what following this video. Remember, this is what is our 30 days challenge. And in this day 4, we're looking at what difunctional compound. We're picking one of the difunctional compound, which is what the diol. You understand? So that is it for what for the first one. So we are done with the preparation of that for the first one here. Addition of water to carbonyl will produce what a germinal what diol. So let's look at what the second one. Oxidation of what of the alkene. That is hydrocarbon with a double bond. Right? So if for example here we have CH2 double bond CH2. It's okay. Now so here we have KMNO4. It's okay. Now, what will be the products? Here we also have osmium tetraoxide. The two of them will produce similar results. That is, it's going to break the pi bond. Remember, this one contains a double bond, and the double bond contains one pi bond and one sigma bond. Do you get that? So when you are oxidizing alkene with these two things here, you're going to produce what similar what results. You're going to produce the same results. It's okay, you're going to produce what the same what results. Like the same product what will be formed. So you say that you have now what CH2 is okay. Then you have now what OH, here we have what OH. This is called vicinal what diol. It's called what vicinal diol. So it's going to be ethane 1,2 diol. That is it. Now the same thing here where you have CH2, okay, CH double bond CH2. What will be the products when you oxidize what with KMNO4? What will be the products? Now it's going to form a diol too. Do you understand? So one of the bond will go out, they now add what OH to these 2 points here. So you have CH3, CH, you have CH3, OH, you have what OH. This is that. So you're going to form a diol. So now understand that you're still going to produce similar result with this other one here, osmium tetraoxide. Do you understand? So I would leave one for you to try. What will be the product of this reaction here? What will be the product of this reaction? What will be the product of this reaction? So go ahead and try this for me. What will be the product of this reaction? Go ahead and try it. Drop the name at the comments. Drop the name at the what comment section. So you find that these two OH will form at this point to remove what the double bond. So here I have OH. Just so the name also is going to be cyclohexane 1,2 diol. It's called germinal what diol. Do you understand? So that is it for this what number 2. So let's look at what number 3, reduction of what carbonyl. The carbonyl we are looking at, we are talking about carbonyl. Now the carbonyl can either be an aldehyde, what a dialdehyde, diketone, and what dicarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, dialdehyde, diketone, or dicarboxylic what acid. Do you understand? So any of this one can perform what the results. That can give what the product of what the reaction. If for example here we have CH3 If you look at this other one here, what is they call diol? Diol, that is a ketone with what? With two double bond, like two ketone functional. A compound with what? A compound with two ketone functional here. Do you get that? So, and now some of you will be asking, what is this compound here, right? So, how many carbon atoms do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, right? So, going to be pentane. Now, what is the position of these two things here? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So here I come number 2, come number 4. So going to be 2, 4 diol. It's okay. 2, 4 diol. Remember, diketone is still the same thing as what? Diol. It's okay. Still the same thing as diol here. So when you use any of this reagent to reduce it, so probably if you undergo what reduction reaction, now let's use lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium what? Hydride. What will be the product here? These two will be reduced to what? These two will be reduced to what? To OH. So you go to reduce here to OH, you go to what? Reduce here to what? To OH. So you have CH3, right? Then you have what? COH. You have CH2. Guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see that? So what will be the name of this compound here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane 2, 4 diol. Can you see that? So you can see that the name is similar to the name of what are similar. You get. So now let's look at what the IDI. The one that have what? Diol. So for example, you have so what is the name of this compound here? What is the name of this one here? So the name is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 butane, right? Now, but the position are not needed because they are the extreme here and here. Do you understand? So you're going to be butane diol. Butane diol. So we're going to be butane diol. Now this one here means what? Alkana is okay. So diol, that what 2 aldehyde functional group. Do you understand? So when you reduce it with any of the words, when you reduce it with what any of the reducing agent, let's look at what sodium borohydrates. Is okay, or sodium borohydrates. So if you use one here, it's still going to produce similar result. So you're still going to produce similar results with this other one here. Now the goal here is that it's going to reduce one to what? To OH. It's going to reduce one to what? To OH. Do you understand? So you're going to have what? Hydrogen. OH. Here we have hydrogen. Yeah, just that. Then you have CH2. CH2. Here we have COH. H2. So now remember this one can also be H or what? OH. Do you understand? See, same thing. It's still the same thing. Do you understand? So what is the name of this other one here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be butane. Here we have 1, 2, 3. I can't remember what 4. 1, 4 diol. That is how you can get the what product. You get. So I believe this video has been of help to you. Do you understand? I believe this video has been of help to you to understand what diol. We have not completed diol. We also have what we call reactions of diol, which I'm going to talk about in further videos. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you have any question, always come to my DM. You understand? Always come to my DM. Always ask your question. You get. Now I'm here to coach you, to guide you, and to make sure you succeed when it comes to your chemistry career. And make sure you have the best. For over the years, I've taught so many students offline, and I want to replicate this thing online. Do you get? So if you find this video helpful and useful, Please always leave your comment at the comment section. Do you get that? And share this video with your friends. So, like what I said, I want in day 4 of which challenge called dietitian compound. I believe you have got a little bit of the idea what diol is all about. So you can also share this link to your friends who are also doing this podcast to dietitian compound. Just my name is Ken Quiz. Thanks for watching. See you in tomorrow's challenge.